Just going to do a unboxing and run through of the Nike CTR Maestri 2 firm ground UK size 10 and the black/white total orange colourway. Wasn't the original colourway I was going to go for, but once I tried it on I thought it looked quite smart on, and I got them personalised. So here we go. There's the sticker there, CTR360 sticker. It explains each part of the boot. Just take the boots out a second. With the Maestris, which is the top end ones, the professional ones, you get a boot bag with them, and that's the boot bag, CTR360, and on the back says NikeFootball.com. Now for the boots, PWS, that's my initials there, that's got them personalised. And then this is a bit here. This is a left bit that I'm showing. Right, so this is that was the left bit there, and then this is the right bit. Same. I got CCS on this one there because my sister, who's 18, passed away 2 weeks ago. So now that's where I got CCS there on the right bit. Right, I'll go for a run through now. Talk about the Kangalite material. There, Kangalite. It's basically designed to be the same as leather, but better. It's supposed to sort of like keep water out better. It doesn't absorb as much water as leather. It doesn't break down as much as leather, so it should last longer. And also it stays lighter during the game because it doesn't absorb as much water, so it stays lighter through the game, and obviously then your feet won't get as wet and stuff. It won't soak through the boot as much, so that's quite good. Nike say that it's provides remarkable comfort, fit and performance, whatever the conditions as well, so that's touching on the waterproof. The lacing is quite central along the top, and then as you can see there, it kind of goes off to the right, there. So it still gives you good space here to control the boot, and it's still quite a good striking surface. Which is it's good having the laces central here though, because then it can be tied tighter around your foot, so you can get a good powerful shot on it and stuff. And it's it goes tight around your boot, so it stays on better and stuff. The insole here is just, it's a regular Nike pour-on insole. That is pour-on performance urethanes. So right, So that's what that's like, and that there is sort of like a suede sort of material, the black bit there. So it's quite comfortable. Excuse me. I haven't used these bits yet. However, once I have used them, I can do a review video if you want, and you can post a comment if you want me to do a review video. And if you want, also post a comment if you want me to do a video of me using them. You'll see what they look like on the pitch and stuff. I'll talk about this bit here next, the side foot, the inside of the foot. You can see they sort of stick out there. See that? That's meant to stick, the ball's meant to stick to it a bit better there when you're controlling it in the instep. And also it's meant to be better distribution of the ball when you're passing it. I don't know if it works yet, but as I said, the review video, if you want me to do one, and a video of me using them, it's up to you guys. Just post a comment and I'll do it. Next I'll go for the dampening pods. That's these bits here at the front. They're meant to be better for control, and you'd expect them probably to be quite spongy if you just kind of went like that. And they do feel like that when you do that. If you put a finger behind and then keep, if you do that, it actually doesn't feel like there's anything in between. But again, I can test them out and then I'll tell you whether or not I think it works. And last thing really to touch on is the stud configuration here. Around the edges it's just sort of a normal stud pattern, and then same here, it's just a normal 4 at the back, good stability. And it's here it gives you the sort of 360 circle of studs there, or if you want triangle, but I think it's more meant to be circular. And then one there. So again, I'll see how well I think that gives, how much grip that provides. So I'll stick them on a second so you can see what they look like on if you want. There we go.